Alright guys, we got the owner of the speedway and he owns the Hampshire Motor Speedway. And how long have you been?
Hey, I'm Marcus Smith, and what's your name?
Dominic.
Dominic here, hanging out with me at New Hampshire Motor Speedway, and so my family owns New Hampshire Motor Speedway, Charlotte Motor Speedway, Atlanta.
I like Charlotte.
You did?
Yeah, this is
Awesome. All right.
Everyone that follows me.
Okay.
They're all my
So
friends.
Speedway Motorsports is our company, and it's Atlanta, Bristol, Charlotte, Las Vegas, Sonoma, Texas, North Wilkesboro, Nashville, Dover, Kentucky. Did I miss one? I think
Daytona?
that's it. Not Daytona. Yeah. So in New Hampshire. So we race all around the country, and of course we have drag racing.
Yeah, my dad does this.
Oh, okay. Legends cars, Bandoleros.
No,
Where a lot of the guys.
it's like a small club, kind of. It's not like one of those NHRA guys.
Oh yeah. So we have a lot of fun putting events on. And glad you're here today.
Yeah, it's my first time, not my first time at New Hampshire, but my first time ever at Charlotte.
Oh, okay, fun.
Yeah.
Fun. Did you go see some of the shops?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I went to Hendrick for Fan Day.
Oh, good.
And we went to RFK.
Oh, cool.
Every single
The open house?
no, but we went to like all the shops and we went to the museums and I got Giant Gas.
Good. That's awesome.
When I was at right now, like yesterday, I was looking for the gear car. It's not out. It's not here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Well, Dominic, thank you for being here today.
Oops.
Yeah, take your hand and have fun. I hope Chase wins for you. It'll be really cool.
Yep.
All right, have a good one.